In the heart of the Nevada desert, a mystery unfolds, one that has captivated the minds of conspiracy enthusiasts for decades. Welcome to Area 51, a place shrouded in secrecy, speculation, and stories that defy explanation. Let's start at the beginning. Established in 1955, Area 51 was part of Project Aquatone, a top-secret CIA initiative to develop the U-2 spy plane during the Cold War. But according to some insiders, this desert outpost served a dual purpose: testing advanced aircraft and reverse engineering otherworldly technology. The Roswell crash of 1947 is where it gets interesting. Initially reported as a flying disc before being conveniently recast as a weather balloon, many believe the wreckage and alien entities were whisked away to Area 51. Whistleblowers claim this led to technological breakthroughs: fiber optics, microchips, and stealth technology, all reverse engineered from otherworldly craft. Then there's Bob Lazar. In 1989, he shook the world by claiming he worked at a hidden site called S4 near Area 51. According to Lazar, S4 housed several alien spacecraft. He described one, the Sport model, a disc-shaped craft capable of bending gravity. Lazar's claims about element 115, a material not synthesized on Earth until 2003, only deepen the intrigue. But what about the black projects? The SR-71 Blackbird, F-117 Nighthawk, and B-2 Spirit bomber all trace their origins to Area 51. Insiders whisper about secret programs like Project Aurora, developing hypersonic aircraft powered by alien technology. Donuts on a rope contrail spotted in the sky, evidence of Aurora's pulse detonation engines, they say. And then there's the Treaty of Greada. In 1954, President Eisenhower allegedly struck a deal with extraterrestrials known as the Greys. Advanced technology in exchange for human abductions. Area 51 became the epicenter of these exchanges, with the Greys working alongside human scientists. Ever heard of Route 375, the extraterrestrial highway? This stretch near Area 51 is a hotspot for UFO sightings. Glowing orbs, triangular craft and cigar-shaped objects performing impossible maneuvers. The government, it seems, might be testing alien technology right in front of us, confident that we'll remain skeptical. Now let's delve deeper. Rumors of biological experiments at Dulce Base, genetic cloning and interdimensional travel tie back to Area 51. Former employees hint at experiments involving time manipulation and parallel universes. Dr. Dan Burish, a physicist who claimed to have worked there, spoke of interacting with beings from the future. And those unmarked black helicopters? Eyewitnesses report them patrolling the area, often linked to the Men in Black, enigmatic figures who intimidate UFO witnesses into silence. Are they government operatives? Or perhaps extraterrestrial themselves, maintaining the veil of secrecy? In 2019, the Storm Area 51 event highlighted public frustration with government secrecy. Despite declassified documents acknowledging its existence, the real secrets of Area 51 remain locked away. So, what is Area 51 hiding? The question isn't just about what's behind those fences, but how far they'll go to ensure we never find out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay sharp.